Yes.
Okay. Wait, have you started?
Yes.
Hello guys, welcome back to Ryan's channel, and today we'll be making a big bubble with our brother slime. Okay? So here we go. Okay.
Go down.
Wow, that's big. Actually, it is kind of big. You can make some bigger. Let me try. Oh, I'm not gonna make it. Oh!